Okay, today we're going to give a refresh on this Nissan D21 pickup on the interior for not much money. So let me show you how I'm going to do it. Okay, so look at all these melted, that one's missing. These are melted and that one looks pretty bad too. So I got this kit from eBay that comes with all new stuff here, so we're going to see how this works. I have already pulled the main bezel off, and we're going to pull this radio out and from the 90s, and we're going to try to neaten this whole dash up. Of course, a hack job on the stereo system. I don't know if they made adapters in the 1990s like they do now, but anyhow. So we'll just start from scratch on all that, I guess, later. Okay. Like the first thing we're going to do is take this piece out here. This is all melted. Not really sure how I'm going to get this out other than just break it out piece by piece. Okay, I got the new vents, the new faceplate on the old vent ductwork there. That was kind of a pain. It looks good now, but it was hard to line up because this original one was a little deformed, but I massaged it a little bit and it looks pretty good now. Okay, got this end one done. It looks like the only thing I'll lose is this, which doesn't work anyway. This, you can cut the vent completely on or off, but we've got to get all this garbage out of here. All right, that was pretty easy. They just snap in, so got the vents taken care of. Okay, so this dash is in deplorable shape, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to knock off all of the high areas on here, pretty much strip the top of this, and then I am going to put on one of these Coverlay plastic dash covers, molded plastic, vacuum formed. I got from Rock Auto, and basically pretty simple. I used this on a Dodge once. You just silicone it down, it sticks, and it looks pretty good actually. So let's see what I got to do to make this thing work. Alrighty, I took a bunch of that stuff out, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to test fit this thing and see what other trimming we got to do. Okay, so here's the unit. Let's go and see if we can test fit this. Well, the color is not exactly right, but you see how it's very close to the trim piece and to the ceiling. But the contrast with the darker brown looks kind of weird. You know, this comes in black. I probably should have gotten black, but so if you're going to do this, they do not guarantee color match. In fact, they say that on the websites. They just offer some generic colors, and I picked the closest one that I thought would match. But you know, you could always go with black. So, is it exact fit? No, but it looks pretty good. It's probably, for 130 bucks, it's probably as good as you're going to get. Once I button all the other trim up, it should clean this thing up pretty good. And I won't show it to you, but the only thing I'm going to do is it comes with some silicone, so I'll put some silicone on the back and on some key areas and put some weights on it overnight to keep it from coming off. All right, and that's pretty much it for today. As you can see, it spruced the interior up quite a bit. Probably should have got a black. You can get a black on that. They're not going to have the exact old gray color, but this is easily painted. If I keep it, I might paint it to match, but who knows. Got a new cheap Walmart radio in there. Got all this cleaned up. All the dash lights working. I do still have to put the bottom piece of plastic underneath there. But as you can see, it is much more presentable and for not a lot of money to make it drivable. And of course, extremely sellable now, as before it was a rat's nest. Now, still have a lot to do. I need to fix these door panels somehow. I may just somehow try to put a piece of fabric over that part, clean these up. I need to install my speakers. Got some cheap Walmart floor mats there. Covered up the old nasty steering wheel with something that I thought would match that, but again, probably better to go all black. I do have to fix this headliner, but for the most part, the interior looks a lot better. Let me show you from the other side. Okay, from the driver's point of view here, it is all very presentable, and I think it would work for anyone's daily driver. I'll leave a link in the description to the Coverlay website. They got some pretty neat products there, so you might want to check them out. Well, that's about all I got for you today for the interior refresh for this Datsun D20 or Nissan D21 Hardbody. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, got something out of it. Have a great day.